Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. Mookie and I are going out for tacos. We're going to take it back to the Tiki Bar and have a little Mexican fiesta. And then we're going to head out to Lake Okanagan for Appies with Chappy by the lake. First up, we're going to make a drink. This is called a passion fruit chichi. So it's a blended drink. So I got my bullet full of ice. And we'll start out with 1.5 ounces of citrus vodka. And then 1/2 ounce of passion fruit liqueur. And 1 ounce of pineapple juice. And 2 ounces of passion fruit juice. And then we'll finish it off with a pina colada mix. Now I already blended up my passion fruit chichi, and I got a nice little fresh passion fruit as a garnish. And that's my passion fruit chichi. All right, this is what I got from Mikey's taco shop. We got some loaded Mexi fries or tater tots. And that's the beef brisket tacos. And I got some fresh salsa and chips. And it comes with an extra spicy sauce. Oh, and I almost forgot. I got a Mexican Coke. See, it's made in Mexico. All right, looks good. Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I got some kabobs. I just got to get them on the grill for appetizer. Now we need a drink. I'm going to do a Lilikoi passion fruit Moscow Mule. So I got some Lilikoi passion fruit syrup. This is a Hawaiian product made by Hawaiian Sun. They also do like sodas and juices. This is looks like it's specifically for to put on pancakes, but I tried putting it with a little bit of club soda. It makes a lovely drink, so I'm going to use that to make my Lilikoi passion fruit Moscow Mule. So we're just going to build it over ice. Of course, you need a nice copper mug, and then I got some ice cubes where I've froze various fruits inside of the ice cubes. And again, we're just going to build this over ice. So we'll go 1 ounce of vodka, and I'll just do like a dash of that syrup. It's actually not sweet at all. The passion fruit makes it quite tart. And then I have some passion fruit liqueur. Do like a 1/2 ounce of that. And then some passion fruit nectar. And then, like just a basic Moscow Mule is vodka, lime, and ginger beer. So I got the juice of a half lime. And then I'm out of ginger beer, so I am going to substitute ginger ale. You might not say it's a real Moscow Mule because the ginger beer is the kick to the Moscow Mule. So normally you would just top it off with ginger beer. And that, my friends, is my Lilikoi passion fruit Moscow Mule. So I haven't cooked my kabobs yet. We'll get them on the grill, and we'll call that Appies with Chappy by the lake. So this is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki.